Alright, so I want you to notice I've taken the tools and put them on the tool cart over there. It's going to do a few things, and let's do a depth check. We know that we want to plunge the hole up, but we don't need to go very deep. It turns out we lack about an inch. Luckily with the Shopsmith, it's a very easy adjustment to make. We'll just slide this up closer to the cutting tool, make sure that that's tight, and we're looking good. So let's let's power this up, and we will make a first hole. So we will speed up. Looking good. So let's go ahead and okay, so our lovely little engine mount is inside, and what we're going to do is use a small that's the problem having big hands. Small objects are hard to pick up, but what we're going to do go ahead and get that out of there, and we'll pause the video while I get this out of here, and we will pick it up when we're ready to make the smaller hole in the center.